So guys, yes, today is 19th of May and the time is almost 9:15 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. And yes, in this video I'll be showing you the live trade what I do. So before that we'll see how the live market has opened. The pre-open market has opened 1.99% down at 15,917.40. Yes, the market is opening down today, almost a gap down of 2%, and advanced stocks 0, unchanged stock is 1, and 49 declined stocks. Okay, so the unchanged stock is SBI Life, and all the other stocks are opening in some other gap down section. The most gap down section stock is Tata Motors with 3.65% down, and Shrikam with 3.54% down, and Apollo Hospital with 3.36% down. Most of the stocks are minimum 3% gap down open today. So these are the pre-open market has opened. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. Okay, so you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so you can watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel. And also I do upload the everyday live trade what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. To provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, right now I'm short selling Tata Consumer stock in the market level around 739. So we have ended short sell on the Tata Consumer stock. So let's see how the stock will perform. As you guys can see, the market is almost 2% down, 1.90% down now. So that's why I decided to go short selling on Tata Consumer stock. And also you can see the main supports of the stock has given a breakout towards the sell side. Around 740 was the main support, and that has given a breakout. So that's why I've taken a sell entry. So let's see how the stock will perform. We are in a sell side of Tata Consumer stock, so hoping to book 5 to 6 points target. And guys, if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my course now. In my course, I'll be teaching you like how to pick the stocks, how to make consistent profit, and 90 to 95% accurate unique strategies without any indicators. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn all of these things, you can join my course now. Even with a minimum capital of 5 to 10,000 rupees, you can make up to 1,000 profit per day. Okay, it's not like you have to have a big capital to make a good profit. Even with a small capital also you can start and make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so to learn all the techniques, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so I'll be teaching you all of the important things and necessary things, and also the strategies are simple, no indicators. Okay, so yeah, Tata Consumer stock is now down 736 now. So let's wait. The low mid as of now is 735.50. So as I said, I'm planning like 5 to 6 point target and I'll take the exit there. So let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, as you guys can see here, the stock made a low of 232.30. We short sold around 239. Okay, so the target has been now done, and you can see the market is again 1.79% down. The market is still down, so that's why I took a sell entry and I made a profit on this. So I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Tata Consumer Stock. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to learn all the techniques to make consistent profit in intraday trading like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.